Hi my dear students, good morning. Welcome back to Gurudev learning class. My dear students, as you know already, we were discussing about the fifth lesson, right? So, which is that? That is transport and communication. So, my dear ones, in the previous class, you have learnt about the means of transport and modes of transport, isn't it? In the previous class, what you have learned? Yes, you have learnt about the modes of transport and means of transport, and also how the early man reached the other place, isn't it? So now we will recapitulate the previous class, what you have learnt in that. Are you ready, my dear? Okay, then tell me, my dear, what is modes of transport? Yes, your guessing is right, my dear. The vehicles which we use to travel from one place to another is called modes of transport, my dear. Okay. So then tell me, my dear, what are the different types of transports are there? Yes, you are absolutely right. There are four types of transports are there. Those are roadways, railways, waterways and airways, right? So these are the different modes of transport, my dear. Okay, then tell me, my dear, what is mean by modes of transport? The way on which vehicle run are called modes of transport. Then tell me, what is roadway, my dear? Yes. Are you guessing the answer, my dear? Don't you know? Okay, in today's class we will learn about the modes of transport. Okay, we will learn about the different modes of transport. Which are those? Let's you recall once again. We will discuss in today's class. Okay, so my dear students, please open your textbook on page number 173. Because of now I am going to read the lesson. Later we will discuss about the different modes of transport. Have you opened the textbook, my dear?
Railways. Trains run on railway tracks. They move at a faster speed than any other land vehicle. Trains can carry many people as well as heavy loads. Special trains called goods train carry heavy loads from one place to another. They do not carry people. Trains can take us across our country. Waterways. Ships travel very long distances by sea. Ships are much bigger than boats and can carry a large number of people. A yacht is a type of boat used for sailing. Airways. Airways are the fastest mode of transport. We can travel very far at a great speed using airways. Aeroplanes and helicopters are the common means of transport in airways. An aeroplane carries people around the world, whereas a helicopter carries few people over short distances.
Yes, my dear students. In the next class, we are going to discuss about the communication. Now, I am going to write the interesting words which are I fetch in the textbook. So, that's why you be ready with your textbook, pencil and also a classwork book. Okay, the interesting words. Yes, come on. Interesting words. The first one is ENGINES, engines. Second one is DIESEL, diesel. Third one TRACKS, tracks. Fourth one HEAVY, heavy. Fifth one YACHT, hatch. Sixth one SAILING, sailing. Seventh one AEROPLANE, aeroplane. Eighth one HELICOPTER, helicopter. Okay, helicopter. So, my dear, all these interesting words you must underline on your textbook, and also you can write down in your classwork and practice in today itself. Okay. So already you knew these are help to read the lesson very easily for us, right? So that's why you must practice all these interesting words in your home itself today onwards. Okay. So my dear, already you knew there are different modes of transports are there. All those help us to travel from one place to another place. About them we will learn in today's class in detail. Okay. Okay, my dear ones, now we will learn different modes of transport one by one. Okay, then tell me how many different modes of transports are there? Yes, you are right. There are 4 different modes of transports are there. Which are those? Can you remember that? Yes, you are right, my dear. Those are roadways, waterways, railways and air. So, all these 4 are the different modes of transport which help us to travel from one place to another. About them we will learn in detail. Okay, very first we are going to learn about the roadways, my dear. So, my dear, commonly in our surrounding we are seeing the many more different vehicles, right? So, all those vehicles are running on the road. Which are the vehicles running on the road? Yes, you are right, my dear. So, auto rickshaw, buses, lorries, cycle, bike, scooty, cars, vans, isn't it? So many vehicles are commonly they are running on the road. Then tell me, what is mean by roadway? Do you have any guess, my dear? Road do you have? Okay, let's observe the board. When we travel by on road using different vehicles is called roadways. So, as you already told, all those vehicles are examples for the roadways. Okay, once we will recall that auto rickshaw, taxi, buses, tempos, trucks. So these are the examples for the roadways, my dear. So, my dear, buses. For example, we can take the buses. It means the buses are help us to they takes us around the entire city, my dear. Okay, buses takes us around the entire city and as well as long distance. For example, in the big cities like Bangalore, Hubli, Dharwad, Mysore, Ballari. So, like that cities we go means there we can see the city buses, right? So, those city buses are help us to around the entire city. Okay, because of places are very far away from the bus stand itself. That's why we using the city buses, my dear. Okay, so and also the buses are takes us long distance. They carry us they reach us long distance also. Even Kottur to Bangalore, or else Kottur to Hubli Dharwad, Kottur to Davangere, Ballari, like that. Which places have the long distance from our native? So then we will use the buses, right? Sometimes we using the other vehicles also. Which vehicles we are using to reach the other places that we learn next. Okay, so my dear, some vehicles are help us to carry the goods from one place to another place. For example, tempos, trucks, lorries, even cart also, hand cart. So, those also help us to carry the goods from one place to another place. Even auto rickshaw also help us to carry the goods from one place to another place. For example, Kottur to from nearest villages. Okay, Chapradalli, Silbi, Jodhpuri, like that. Okay. So, my dear, what are the vehicles are there in our surrounding? All those vehicles have the engine, isn't it? So, with the help of the engine, the vehicles are running on the road, is it? So, the vehicles wants to run on the road, it means what they need, my dear? Yes, you are right. So petrol, diesel, CNG and engine oil. Okay, petrol, diesel, CNG and also very importantly engine oil. So this four also help us to vehicles to run on the road itself. Already you knew what is meant by CNG? Yes, compressed natural gas. Okay, so compressed natural gas is one of the eco-friendly gas, that is. It helps to vehicles to run very smoothly on the road itself. Okay, engine oil also. Engine oil also help us to work properly in the vehicles. The engine wants to work properly in the vehicles. It means it is need the, very importantly, it is need the engine oil. Okay, if we fill the engine oil into the vehicles means then only the what are the different parts are there in the engine, all those working properly. Okay, so my dear, this is the brief information about the roadways. Next, we are going to running on the track, my dear. Which way that is? Yes, you are absolutely right. That is railway. Have you traveled in the train, my dear? What is the experience of you that? Yes, we feel very happy because of the run. Because of rail is moving very faster, isn't it? So that is very exciting for us, isn't it? About that we learn now. Yes, my dear. Have you ever travelled the metro rail or a monorail, my dear? What is the experience of you? Some of you travelled in the metro rail. Some of you not travel, but also most probably you all are travelled in the train itself, right? So what is the experience, my dear? Traveling in the train, is it very exciting, right? Because of train is moving very faster. So then we will observing around what is the atmosphere is there, what is the nature is there that we are watching, right? So it is very exciting, I think. So my dear friends, where train can move, my dear? Where it is running? Yes, you are right. So commonly trains are run on railway tracks, isn't it? Rail train is running on the railway track. Okay, so my dear, they move at a faster speed than any other land vehicles. Okay, so my dear, what are the vehicles are there in the in our surroundings which are running on the road? In those vehicles, the railway is one of the very faster land vehicle, my dear. Okay, it is moving very faster on the railway track. It is running on the railway track, my dear. So next, my dear, in the train, there is one special train is there, my dear, that is goods train. Okay, goods train is one of the special train. So apart from the goods train, there are many other trains are there. So those trains are carries the people from one place to another. So which train is carry the peoples from one place to another? That train do we call as a passenger train. Okay, so but goods train is carries the heavy loads from one place to another. It is do not carry the people. Okay, goods train is just it is carries the heavy loads or as goods from the one place to another, my dear. It is not or else it is do not carry the people, just it is carry the goods. That's why this train is known as a goods train. Okay, so next, my dear, trains can take us across the country. Okay, trains are take us around all over the country even. Okay, so which train carries the people? Those are known as a passenger train. Which train is carries the goods? Those train is known as a goods train. The train is takes us across the country. All over the country it is taking us. So in the roadways or in the land vehicles, which is the cheapest transport? It means that is railway, my dear. Okay, which is the cheapest land transport? It means that is railway. Okay, so from Davangere to Delhi you want to go means you will reach within 1000 rupees. But you want to travel by cars or as travel on bus, it means it is nearly taking to the 5000 to 6000 or as 10,000 also it is taking. But you travel in the train, it means it is just within 1000 rupees it is taking, my dear. So that's why the railway is known as a cheapest land transport or as roadway transport, my dear. Understand? So my dear, other two modes of transport we will learn in the next class. Until you can practice all the interesting words, and also you can, without missing, compulsory you can make a audio record of the lesson reading. You can send by WhatsApp to me. Okay, so we will meet in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye bye, my dear.